My name is Harleen and I'm here to give you a presentation on family's responsibility. Family's responsibility. So much people are not give 100% towards their family responsibility because those people are so much busy in their business life or love life and etc. But in my opinion, family responsibilities are also important for each and every person because family give your 100% potential and encourage to you to grow, and also they have stand for your bad or good things or both. That's why I in my opinion family responsibilities are also there. If you are not responsible for their family, then why are you survive? Because family is the main motive to survival because they stand in their in your each and every step. So that's why we encourage to family members, and also family members are play most important part in your life. Without it we are not able to give anything else to uh, for themselves or another towards their family. So in my opinion, family responsibility is not there to handle kitchen service or house service. Is also a responsibility to take care of their family members and take care of house, because house is made for four walls, but also ghar is made for emotions, family members. So ghar and house, though two terms are different. If one person are responsible for a family but other peoples are and other members are not responsible, then in my opinion family are not working there, because one person give their 100% but other members don't give their 100%. So that's why equal members, then equal ratio. If five members in the family, then five responsibilities are distributed towards um, men or women. So that's why women's first responsibilities is that hand care of kitchen and take care of family members, and also men's are uh, very responsible towards how to make ghar decor and anything else. So that's why, but in my opinion, in this generation are not too much responsible for they too much understand their responsibilities towards their family, because in this generation, in Gen Z generations, Gen Z's are very busy in their own life, like love life or college life, so much kind of. They they search their enjoyment outside the home, but they have to uh, search their enjoyment inside the home, because if they are searching their enjoyment inside the home, then so much things toward change towards good things. But in my opinion, in that generation are so much responsible for families clashes, because in this generation are always between in their phone and laptop, because so much technology are there in that time. So that's why Gen Z's are busy in their technology life, college life. They don't give time spent with their family, but in that time they have to uh, they have to understand their responsibilities, and they have to understand their parents love and affection, and also give their love, because uh, Gen Z's are so much busy. So that's why their parents are not happy with it, and parents also don't give so much attention towards their child, so that's why the child are not responsible for that, because Gen Z's are have their mindset that all about technology. If they use technology, then it's increased their modernization system. Yes, modernization system is good, but fam but family responsibilities are also good, because if we understand their family responsibility, then we handle their families well and good and very well. So that's why, in my opinion, each and every member of their family, they have each or one or more than one family responsibilities toward their family, to make family happy or comfortable life. And Gen Z's are also give their time to spend their mother, helping with them, and time spent with family, uh, rather than phone, laptop, and other things which don't motivate you. It totally time waste, because if you spend all time in phones, laptops, and Netflix, and etc etc, then it only increase your screen time. They don't increase your skills or mental health, or they they decrease your mental health efficiency, because